Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to create a registration form in WordPress. So do that we have to require registration magic plugin, that is the plugin name. So kindly note it, registration magic. So I am going to open my website where I have to use this plugin. So you can see experthacker.in. This is my domain name where I have used this plugin. Okay, so I go to open my dashboard. So here I am going to add this plugin right now. So here plugin and add new. So here we have to type registration magic. So here I have typed registration magic and now you can see registration magic plugin appear here. So I just click on install now. And wait for the installation to complete. Then after you can see activate button, then you have to activate this plugin to access. So friends, you can see it has been installed and now it's showing activate button to activate it. So I am just going to click on activate. So friends, it has been activated right now. So here you can see registration magic, activate and deactivate, you can see your status. So I am going to use it right now, how to use it. So just click on registration magic in left side and you can see registration forms. So click on it. After that you have to click on new form. So cut this all. Click on new form. Okay. Give a name, give a proper name to your form. So I am going to just add contact form. Okay. Do you want to add the subscribers to your website? Then use this option. If you don't want to do that, then use this option. Okay. So I am using this option. I don't want the subscribers from the contact form. So click on save. So now you can see this contact form here. I am going to add fields right now here. So click on field. Okay, now you can see only here email field is already given here. So I am going to add more fields according to my requirement. So I just click on add field and I add a text field for username or name. So here the text field property comes. And in label you put your content. So I need it's your name. Okay. Now click on add to form. Now this will be added below the email field. So you can see here email field upper and your name is down to that. So now I am going to add more fields to the contact form. So I am going to add a number field that is used for mobile number. So here I am going to add mobile number. So you can see it's mobile number. Enter your mobile number. So now click on add to form. And final, I want to add a text area form that will be used for query of users. So just click on it and have a question. So click on add to form. So friends, it is my contact form. So you can see email field, your name, mobile number, and I have a question. box. So right now I'm going to submit it. So this is the submit button. You can set the location of this button in center, left, right. So I need it in center. Okay. So I just click on all the forms. So now you can see a short code of this form, contact form. So here is a short code, copy that and now create a page. So going to add a page new, so here page and add a new page for contact menu. So I give a name, a proper name to that field. Contact us. Okay, and in the text area you have to paste that a short code you just copied for. So here is the short code that I have copied right now and going to publish it. Okay, now you can see page published here, and right now I'm going to add this page to the menu. So appearance and menus. If you already have set up these things, you don't have to do this thing. So here I have not set up any menu for this. So right now I'm going to add a menu. So I click on it, main menu. Okay, and I add here a contact form that I created, just contact us page. So you can see here a contact us form. So clicking on it and top menu I will check here and save menu. So now I'm going to open my website to see the effect. So this is my website. You can see here a contact option. Click on it. And now you can see here email field, your name field, mobile number field, and have a question field. So now I'm going to submit a test to check where it's going the submission. So I'm just enter anything, admin @123, your name Pavan 80831932. Hello sir. This is my dummy text. I only check it where it goes. So after submission you can see contact form submitted. Okay, so now I will check submit here. So going to registration magic and I have to check my inbox here. So click on inbox. And now you can see here one contact form submitted here, that is admin email address admin@123, your name. So friends, this is for now. If you have created multiple forms, you can choose from here. Here is a simple form that is already given in the contact form, registration magic. So here you can create multiple forms and choose here, and you can see the effect here. So thanks to all of you friends. Goodbye.